Hi guys, I'm Sam Obadina. I'm from Liverpool in the United Kingdom. I came to Istanbul to get my hair done at the Hair of Istanbul, and honestly it's been the most amazing experience. I had my hair transplant yesterday, and today I had the bandage taken off, and Hair of Istanbul was so nice. They took me out for food, and they showed me the city as well. We've been touring around, I've seen so many historical buildings. It's a lovely city. I'm going to keep touring the city, and yeah, I'm just having the best time ever. And honestly, I'm so grateful for Hair of Istanbul to give me this opportunity to come out here and take me out on a tour and give me the best transplant I could ask for. Oh. Yeah, so. When I booked to have my hair done at Hair of Istanbul, I did not expect to get this service. Honestly, I had my hair done yesterday, and today they literally took me out. We went everywhere, we went around Istanbul, looked at some nice places, took me out for food at Salt Bae restaurant as well, which was very, very good. Even took me shopping as well, I didn't expect that to happen as well. So honestly, I'm so grateful for the service I've received. On top of getting my hair done as well, which I'm super happy about, I received like the full service. So honestly, this is literally the best service I've ever received, and I'm so grateful to Hair of Istanbul. I'm so grateful to Zainab, and I'm so grateful to Farid behind the camera as well. They've been super from my whole stay. And yeah, thank you lot so much, and I definitely will be coming back to Istanbul.